Hey everyone, Chuck from Blackout Tinting, here to go over our recent upfit for the Westmoreland County Park Police K-9 unit. The county decided to go with the Whelen Centaurus 54-inch light bar. Every one of these individual pods is programmable for two different colors, either red, blue, blue, white, blue, amber. We can make any pod do whatever we need to do for the company. On the rear of the bar, we have your left traffic advisor, your split traffic advisor, and also your right traffic advisor, all controlled from the Whelen control in the Gamber-Johnson console. On this model, we did the takedowns. The takedown is full bar in the front, white, also ghosted in the background by their original warning colors. On this car, all the vinyl is reflective. Even the dark colors will reflect a grayish white color at night. Even the Park Police emblem that is on here and on the rear of the car is also reflective. Up front, there's two Whelen Micron stud mounts in the grille. We also have the headlight wigwag for the officer. In the side and rear windows, we have the Fusion dual color surface mount flashers. In the back, we also do the tail light and reverse light wigwag. Inside the vehicle, we went with the Gamber-Johnson console, also the Whelen control head for all of our functions of the light bar, the horn, the siren, and your traffic advisor, and also your 3-position switch. We also have the Ace K-9 hot and pop system with a light for the K-9 and also a fan. And for added cup holders for the officer. In the back of the car, we have installed the Havas K-9 transport console. It comes with the window guards, a sliding door for the K-9 to go up to the officer, a watering bowl for the dog, and also a K-9 door pop. The K-9 can be deployed from inside the car by the officer by hitting a combination of buttons, or it can be deployed by the officer's remote control on his belt. So a 3-second press on that pops the door for the K-9 to be released. We also had this vehicle tinted with ceramic tint to help keep the K-9 and the officer cool in the summer. Thanks everybody for tuning in to the recent upfit that we did. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content.